Hi, Grandma. Guess who we've got here? Hi.
Hey, you gotta be quiet though, she's sleeping.
Be quiet.
Is she asleep?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the first time I've seen them.
This thing is the Cadillac of little prams here.
Yeah. How are you too?
I'm doing wonderful, dear. Doing wonderful. Good to
Oh,
see ya.
good. Good to see you. Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Okay. Oh, good to
Seen
see
you in
you.
all of 3 weeks.
Yeah.
What do you think of this stroller, Grandma?
Pardon me?
What do you think of this stroller you gave us?
What do you think of the stroller that you gave them?
Oh, well, it's neat. Yeah. It's pretty fancy, huh?
It's kind of like your Cadillac.
Hey,
For-
can you just leave that there, or can you take this part out, or what?
You lift it out. We'll do that. We'll show you. Just go like this.
Oh, I see.
Uh-huh.
Pretty great, huh?
And we have to park her in the
Or she'll just sit in.
Yeah, well, come in and sit down.
son of a gun.
I think that's neat.
You got the fire going. And
Oh, yeah. Does it smell funny to you, though?
It
Yeah.
smells a
I
little
think you're
smoky.
leaking gas. Gassy.
Huh?
It's a little gassy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it
Turn
smells
it off.
I think so.
There on the wall. I just turned